no skateboard P. Hey, bling loud. Ooh, she no skateboard P. Yeah. Hold up, baby girl. Yeah, you know I got it. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, nigga kinda poppin'. I been buying Louis, I been shopping. Gotta get it. Ooh, yeah, no option. KY run me back. KY run me back. Switch her on the track. Switch her on the track. Tokyo that crack. Tokyo that crack. Baby, run it back. Baby, run it back.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. How is everybody doing? Today we are doing an install video. We got the retrofitted wheel from VQ Vortex for the 370Z. I'm going to show you guys how to swap your wheel out today. I used to run a quick release back in the day. I wasn't really a fan because your cruise, your radio, and everything else is on that wheel. So if you get a retrofit wheel, you still get the aftermarket look, but you still keep all the functions of your steering wheel. So let me get all the tools we need for this, and I'm going to show you guys how to put this baby on. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in a grip. Peace. I'm going to get some close-ups for you right now of what this wheel actually looks like, and then we're going to teach you how to put it on. So peep it out. Alright, so what you guys are going to need for this install, and this works for a quick release too, so you'll still need the same tools to take your old wheel off. You'll need your new wheel, you'll need a 19mm, you'll need a breaker bar because Nissan loves to put thread sealant on everything. You're also going to need a 1/4-inch ratchet, and you're going to need a torque bit. Now this is a 130. This is actually a star with the hole punched out in the center, and that's the screws that go on the side of the wheels. So I'm going to show you guys how to take this off, but first we got to disconnect the battery. We have to disconnect the battery first because we're going to be swapping airbags into the new wheel. You're just going to basically reuse all your parts from your old wheel, fit it in the new wheel, and put that on. So first things first, since we are going to be unplugging and replugging wires, it's always a good idea to disconnect the positive, so that's what we're going to do right now. Mind you, if you guys saw how this camera was set up right now, it's hella sketchy. I think it's a 12mm for the battery. Too big. So 1/2 inch is what you need. 1/2 inch for that bad boy. So now there's no power to the car, which is what you need. After that, open her up. Now this is going to be hard to see, guys, but there is actually 2 slots right behind the wheel, and they're just circles, and all you do is just pull on it and it comes out like so. So they're just very small plastic. Save these. They come right out. Just put your finger under it. Save these. We're going to put these back when we're done. So there's 2 of these, 1 on each side. Try to put them somewhere where you know you're not going to lose them. Again, on the other side, same thing. Just kind of grab it. It's a little circle. Comes right out, and that's where the torque bits are. That's what we're going to use that 130 for. Now we're just basically taking the Torx out of the wheel. Now, you're taking your wheel off either way, but be very gentle when you do this because you don't need screws flying around. I can't tell you how many bolts I've lost over the years, so just be careful when you're feeling it out. When there's no more tension left on your ratchet, just kind of finger it out. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, once you have the bolts on both sides out of the car, all you have to do is give it a nice little pull, and the airbag will come out. Now this is just plug and play, so you basically just want to connect this and this wire, so that's what we're going to do right now. Alright guys. Once we disconnect those wires, it's time to hit the center bolt or the master bolt. You just want to use a breaker bar just for tension. So get your 19 in there, and then you guys are just going to give it a nice firm turn. There you go. Woo. Make sure your wheel is straight, so when you put the wheel back on, you know it's centered. So after you finger the nut off, your wheel will just come right out. Just like so. I lost a bolt in the process, so let's get that. If your bolt does fall into your wheel, guys, it's not that big of a deal. You can recover it easily. It's just more along the lines of the pain in the ass. Again, you need these, very important, so put these somewhere where you're not gonna lose them. I just throw them out on the floor because I'm an animal. Now let's compare wheels and show you guys what I actually do to swap these out. So as you guys can see, here's the comparison to the stock 370 wheel and the wheel that's done by VQ. You can see the wheelbase is still almost exactly the same, if not better. What they actually did was gave you just a little bigger roundness and they shaved the bottom. So comfortability wise, this is not bad, fairly heavy. This has a bigger grip around the handle, definitely heavier. Now, you may see that this wheel still looks a little gutted. That's because we end up using the outside housing of this to put on the new wheel. To do that, guys, as you can see, there are 2 tabs here and here. All you basically want to do is just push those to the side, like so. And then once you do that, the wheel comes out. There we go. And then the back just comes off. That's about all you're gonna need for the stock wheel, so you can put that aside. And then basically it's the same thing opposite. Place this down, center your wheel, line the tabs up, like so. And then once you get everything in there, you just want to firm press down. And there you go. What we're gonna do is put this back in the car, and then we're gonna put the old airbag into the new center. So we're gonna maintain all our controls, everything else, and then we'll test it out. So the back's on, looking good. So now basically it's just a reverse process. We are going to run these back through the wheel. Now guys, when you put your wheel back on, there are literal sensors on the side, so you can't be too far off. But what is important is when you go to put this back on, there is a slit you can see right there. You want that perfectly aligned with the slit in the wheel. This will ensure your wheel is actually straight when you bolt it down and put it up. So once you have your center nut down, it's time to put the airbag back in. So basically, all we're going to do is, these are color coded, so orange and orange, yellow and a yellow, and this buddy right here just plugs into that. So connect all of that up. One side's back in, take your little cover, throw that bad boy on there. Let's do the other side. All right boys, the wheel's back on. I'm gonna put you guys up here for safety. Reattach the battery, put your panel on, shut her down. Moment of truth. Wow, wow, wow. Look who it is. Jesus. Woo! Did you wash it? Wild. All right, break time's over, back to the work. Moment of truth, boys. Oh fuck, I didn't bring my key, hold on. Damn, she looks good. Let's see if we retained all the controls. Put everything in right. Car starts good. Airbag didn't blow up my face, so we're 2 for 2. Nissan. Sick.
Ask for the complete offer.
Button works. Volume works.
Want to know more about my home state of
Cruise works.
getting on a bus and I'm bringing you with me.
All right, boys, we fucking did it. Now, let's take her out for a spin, see how she feels. Alright boys, let's test her out. This could be my last video ever if I fucking put this in wrong. Do you guys ever like move your seat for something and then you go to move it back and it's just never in the right spot? That's the story of my life. I like the flat bottom already. It's something like, it's a weird feeling, but it's a good weird. I've never had a flat wheel, so I like it already. It feels really good. I like how wide it is now. Driveway is Satan. Don't scream. Okay, not that bad. My neighbor has to park right in front of my fucking driveway because she's a dumbass. Alright, let's hit it. Wow. Pretty straight. Not bad. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. Damn. Flat bottomed. Nice. Widened grips. The grips on this are huge. I really like this. It's my best part. This is definitely thicker than the stock wheel. One thing I will say that I'm gonna change though is the red stitching. I'm gonna get that swapped to black. I like red, I'm just not really a fan of it. But I mean, shit. Besides that, I really like it. Guys, if this is something you want to do, or you fuck with the wheel, let me know in the comments down below. I want to know what you guys think. And holy shit, my fucking seat is so far back. If you guys like this video, let me know. And that's pretty much it. I wish I didn't have my spare on it. I want to drift it, this thing, so bad. Hold on. So that's the install, guys. One-handed shifting is rough. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sub to the channel if you haven't. Like this video if you liked it, and if you didn't, thank you for the view. Until next time, boys. Peace out.
Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling loud, she no skateboard P. Bling loud, she no skateboard P.
Made in Tokyo, damn, just like most my clothes, damn. Chain on skateboard P, skateboard PV my OG. Whole city waiting on me. Fuckboy hate on me like it's they only J.O.B. You owe respect, yeah, pay your fee. I changed the game up like the last level. Got beat as P.I.G. And I did the Jesus pieces. I did the power 3 pieces. I'm your niggas OG, yeah. I'm at a level you can't see, yeah. Mine Jacob, yo shit, costume, jewelry, Halloween, yeah.